Hello YouTube, Robert here. This fish story takes place on July 20th, 2013. I was fishing with my friend A-Dog, and we got there probably a little after 7 in the morning, and the cats were biting so fast. So I just remember this trip being such a great time with my buddy Adrian. So in these clips that you're gonna see, he outfished me that day, by the way, but he caught 2 monster cats that just get away, and it was a great fishing trip. It was done on the Jordan River at Lehi Bridge on July 20th of 2013. Enjoy. I have my buddy Adrian with me, and we're both getting bites, and we're, oh my gosh, this is crazy. Alright, Adrian with the Talking Cat channel. Oh, there I am getting a bite. Oh, man. Yeah. Got him. Not nearly as big as Adrian. Good times. Adrian with a really good sized cat on. Good sized channel. Can you lift them up? Or do you have to go over there and drag them up? Oh! Took my boot. Okay, Adrian's got a really good one.
Oh, fuck. I lost everything.
Just got me a little channel. I like the little ones because you can see all the nice, pretty spots that they have on their body and stuff. Okay, so Adrian caught the biggest of the day and then the smallest of the day. Alright, Adrian's got another good one on. Another good one. Look at the size of that one. That one's a good one. Just got me a good sized channel. It's not as big as Adrian's, but I would have to say probably close to 4 pounds.
It's a recording.
So, alright, get this guy back in the water.